When most people think of 3D printing, they probably imagine small trinkets or models of their favorite characters from movies or video games. But did you know that 3D printing is also being used in healthcare? That's right. This technology is revolutionizing the medical industry and changing the way we think about healthcare. So, what exactly is 3D printing in healthcare? Simply put, it's the use of 3D printing technology to create medical devices, prosthetics, and even human tissue. 3D printing allows for precise customization and can be used to create implants and prosthetics that perfectly fit a patient's unique needs. One of the most exciting applications of 3D printing in healthcare is the creation of prosthetics. Traditional prosthetics can be expensive and difficult to fit perfectly to an individual's body. With 3D printing, prosthetics can be made quickly and affordably, and can be customized to fit the unique needs and preferences of the patient. Another application of 3D printing in healthcare is the creation of medical devices. 3D printing allows for the creation of complex shapes and structures that would be difficult or impossible to create using traditional manufacturing methods. For example, 3D printing can be used to create intricate models of organs for surgical planning, or to create custom surgical tools. Perhaps the most exciting application of 3D printing in healthcare is the creation of human tissue. Scientists are currently working on developing techniques to use 3D printing to create living tissue, such as skin or even organs. This could revolutionize the field of organ transplantation, as patients could receive custom-made organs made from their own cells, greatly reducing the risk of rejection by the body. One of the main benefits of using 3D printing in healthcare is the ability to create customized and personalized medical devices and implants. For example, a patient who needs a knee replacement can have a joint replacement created that perfectly fits their anatomy, leading to better outcomes and faster recovery times. Additionally, 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping and testing of medical devices, which can help speed up the development process and get products to market faster. There are also some challenges to using 3D printing in healthcare. One concern is the regulatory environment around medical devices and implants. Currently, there is a lack of standardized guidelines for 3D printed medical devices, which can make it difficult for manufacturers to navigate the regulatory process. Additionally, there is a concern around the quality and safety of 3D printed medical devices, particularly if they are not produced using sterile manufacturing processes. Despite these challenges, 3D printing is already being used in a variety of healthcare settings. For example, doctors have used 3D printing to create prosthetics for children with missing limbs, custom implants for patients with cranial injuries, and models of organs for surgical planning. In fact, some medical institutions have even set up their own 3D printing labs to support these kinds of projects. There are also companies that specialize in 3D printing medical devices and implants. One such company is Oxford Performance Materials, which produces spinal implants using a 3D printing process. Another company is Organovo, which creates 3D printed human liver tissue for use in drug testing and other applications. Overall, 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize the way medical devices and implants are created and used. While there are still challenges to be addressed, the technology is already making a difference in the lives of patients and improving outcomes. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more applications of 3D printing in healthcare in the years to come.